Hi, third graders, and welcome to Module 5, Lesson 11. I'm going to go through how to answer the problems on the Chromebook, but please, please, please make sure that you watch the video that I posted on slide 3. That video, the first of the 3 videos, is going to go over the new concepts with you. It's very important that you do watch those so that you really understand how to answer the problem set. Again, you don't have to do the problem set on here. You can go to slide 2 and click the link and you can see the problem set if it's better for you to write it down or to print it off, whatever is best for you. So if you're going to answer the questions on the Chromebook, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are all kind of the same idea. So they did include a sample for you, and then I'm going to do number 1 with you right now. So the first thing you need to do is you need to label the unit fraction. Remember, the unit fraction is a fraction with the 1 over. The 1 on top is the numerator. So go ahead and make sure your cursor looks like an I, and then you're going to click 3 times so that all the text is in blue, and you're going to write 1. Then you can use the slash button, which is at the bottom of your keyboard, 3. I know it doesn't look like a fraction should, but it's okay when you're typing. Then you need to decide what is 1/3 greater than. In the middle, it's going to tell you what they want. So I know I have to think backwards. So I need to think of a digit bigger than 3, and that'll make 1/3 bigger than that. So I'm going to say 1/3 is greater than, I'm going to say 1/10. Now, the directions do say to include a model in your picture. You can either draw it on a piece of paper, or I'm just looking to see if you kind of get the whole idea of the size of fractions. So I really just need to see the number. Okay, so I'm going to leave that one there for you. And then just be careful because on number 2, you're not doing greater than, you're doing less than. So they kind of change that up. So you're going to do that on slide 5, and then here on slide 6 and slide 7. On slide 8, you're doing the same thing, it's just kind of set up a little bit differently. They have a picture of the unit fraction, so they show you 1/4, and then they write it in fraction form below. Then you really only need to fill in these 2 blanks here. So you need to think 1/4 is less than, and then you can pick any fraction that you can think of where 1/4 is smaller than it. So, and then over here, you can choose any fraction where 1/2 is greater than it. So 1/2 is greater than, you could choose any fraction in the world as long as 1/2 is bigger. Again, if drawing a model helps you, please, it's hard to draw on a computer, so you're going to draw that on a piece of paper if you need to. On slide 9 and 10, it's just answering questions, story questions about the size of fractions. So again, you're going to wait for your cursor to become a capital I, click it 3 times, and that's going to highlight the entire text in blue, and then you can start typing. So here you need to determine if Elizabeth is correct. So you would say Elizabeth is correct or Elizabeth is incorrect. I know this because. Same for number 10. You're going to answer the question, is Manny correct or is he incorrect? And use these pictures to help you. And if you have any questions, message me on Class Dojo or send me an email. Good luck.